Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add some fun overlays to your live streams, which will make them stand out. It doesn't matter if you're streaming a pre-recorded video or an actual live, both would actually work. So first I create a new project and choose an overlay which I want to add to my video. You can download some overlays from any stock graphic website or create them on your own. So I've got an image of this fun TV, which I'm going to edit in Photoshop. I'm just removing the screen part of the TV and saving the file as a PNG. Now I'm just going back to my live reacting studio, click New Layer, Image, and choose my TV overlay. I place it wherever it fits best, click on a new layer again, and I can either go for a webcam view or a video file that will be displayed on this TV. This time I'm going for a video with a cute rabbit, adjusting it a little bit, and on the right sidebar I'm dragging this layer to the background of the TV. So this is how it looks now, and I can replace it with any other video and add extra elements like a video from a webcam, a countdown, game, pool, and much more. Now I'm just going to launch my stream, and this is how it looks like on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.